Ka nong tre na kabenta ka bha kamiat ke imlang salang ka kong Angela Rangat hinin gasngi kala Ujor de ka FIR Pyrshah yo Akash Sagar Halor ka jingrung tu ha ka Ingmane Epiphany ka badon ha East KHASI Hills District Maulenong bat Pynthohbria mi ka jinglong kentang jongka da ka jing pertad ki kintin ki bomdai Kristan bat ruai ki jing ruai ki bomdai Kristan ka duan ha ka FIR ka bla Ujor ha Limekra Police Station Kakong rangat kelak kedau bakal lap iki video hakirin san Facebook but Instagram jong usagar hakaba layo ibo la Pynthohbria bat Pynthohbria mi ka jinglong kentang jong ke Ingmane hakarukom ka ba ulat mu khnang.
We've come to file an FIR because just day before yesterday I came across one video, a reel made by one person in Maulenong. And it is a very disturbing reel. It shows this person, I think he's a tourist. He's walking into the Church of Epiphany in Maulenong. He films himself walking in. He films himself inside the church, walking to the altar area, taking the microphone and then shouting Jai Shri Ram. And also starting to sing all sorts of Hindu religious songs. And this was a premeditated criminal act.